The entire coast of Kerala, there is a problem for the last almost 8-9 days. But it is a surprising thing that the government has not taken the required action at the appropriate time. There is a allegation of a delayed response from the side of the government. The incident happens on 31st evening, but till first afternoon, no action was taken by the government. There was no search operations. There was the Navy came to the scene in the afternoon of the second part of first. And the most surprising thing is that the fisheries minister has not cared to visit these places till now. I don't know why such attitude is there. And further, the chief minister's comments regarding this issue is also a surprising thing. He has said that we know the experience of persons who have gone earlier. It's it's nothing but insulting the fishermen community. So is it a decision of the Kerala government that we don't care for the lives of the people? The chief minister uses the helicopter to go and meet the businessmen. But in the past, we have the experience of fishermen coming to the rescue of such businessmen when they were in problem. So all these things, this time it's the actual case of government not serious about rescue operations, the government machinery completely collapsing. There is no single command. The coastal police is there, coast guard is there, navy is there, disaster management authority is there, the state police is there. But to coordinate all this, the fisheries department is there. To coordinate all these agencies, there should be a single command. I don't understand, in spite of the fact that during the last so many years there are a lot of such disasters, why such a single command is not instituted. So the government should put an end to such casual approach with the lives of the people, which involves the lives of the people, and take serious action. And if the fisheries minister is not interested in the department, let that minister resign and let it be allotted to somebody who will take serious interest in the affairs of the fisheries and the coastal sector.
So at the same time, CM is saying that it's the first time in the history of rescue operations with the central assistance, Navy, Coast Guard, everyone is right now, scuba is on the...
No, everyone is there, but there is no point when you close the stables after the horse is out. See, the incident happened, the golden hours, which is called the golden hours, the first few hours of any such disaster, those period is the most important period. So on 31st evening, the incident happens till first noon or post noon. These rescue operations start. By that time, the lives will be lost. So there is no point in claiming that this is the first time that these things are happening after the whole thing is over.
It's another important issue on Vande Mataram right now. The Chief Secretary have given letters to the department, but at the same time, even the Health Minister right now said that they won't sing Vande Mataram, only the first few lines or first few paragraphs.
It shows that they have no respect to the Constitution and they have no respect to the freedom fighters who laid down their lives for the independence of this country. So all their claims of protectors of Constitution is only a drama, nothing beyond that.
Last question on VD Savarkar. It's a QS program. It's just a small QS program, but right now it's government is taking action against for those who are prepared.
See, that's why the government is playing to the tunes of the secessionists, the divisive forces in the country, instead of respecting the freedom fighters, because V.D. Savarkar is not somebody whom the BJP has propped up. Indira Gandhi mentioned that he is a great freedom fighter. Indira Gandhi was a Congress leader. So why does Congress has a different stand regarding V.D. Savarkar than the one that they have in Maharashtra? Congress in Maharashtra and Congress in Kerala, are they different parties? Only thing is, Congress in Kerala is under the beck and call of the Muslim League. Perhaps Maharashtra Congress is not so.